Now let's talk about the CSS max width property. And first of all, let's create here another file, CSS max width dot html in the file. And if I use this code snippets here, I can change the document into the CSS max width, and I can write here the style tag to include the CSS here. And inside the style tag, I can write the CSS properties here. And before that, I want to make here the one div element here. And inside the div element, I want to write the lorem text here, the lorem 10. And if I press enter, and I can click on the go live options from here. And if I go to here, you can see this is my normal lorem text. Okay. And I want to style these things. And if I want to put the this into the center position, then I can use the margin center. Before that, let's understand about again. Let's recall the block level element. If I use this div element, this is our block level element, and this will take the space as much as it can. Now, if I create here the another div below this div, and if I write here the another div and lorem 10, and if I press enter, it will start from the another line. But it has the if you see here in the first div, it has the space in the right side, but it will start from the another line, because the first div it will contain all the space, all the available space into the first div. So it will start from the another line. Okay, so this is our the block level element. And if I create one class here inside the style element, if I write here the first div, and inside the first div, if I provide the width as 500 pixels, and also if I provide the border that is 1 pixel, so I write the green here. And if I go to the browser here again, now you can see nothing here, because I haven't included the class name here, so I have to include the class is equals to first div. Okay, and if I go to the browser here, now I got the one border here with width has 500 pixels. If I want to make this div into the central position, then I can use the margin auto property here. And if I write here the margin auto property, and if I see here the left side and the right side has the equal space, and my div is converted into the center position. If I make the screen size as small, this is not become the responsive. My border is crossed here. You can see in the right side, my border is not seen properly here, and this is not become the responsive only using the width property. And you can see here another lorem text in the second line, and I want to install the same properties giving the same property except the width property. So I want to again copy this code, fully code here, and I want to paste it down, and I want to change the first div 1 as a name. And if I change the width into the maximum width, this is how we are watching this thing. We are focusing on the maximum width property. And if I write the maximum width 500 pixel, and if I go to the browser, and first of all, I want to use this class. So I want to use the class name as first div 1. First div 1. And if I go to the browser, now the first, I want to give here the one break line also, so that I can distinguish between the two border here. So now I got one break line here, and I got the two lorem text. In first lorem text, I am using only you can see here the width property, and in second this class, I am using the maximum width. And you can see the differences here. If I make the screen size as small, now in first div there is no responsive, the border line is crossed here, and in second div you can see here our border is became the clear. So in this way we can use the maximum width property and the width property. If you get any confusion regarding this video, you can ask me in the comment section. If you are new to this channel, please like this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you so very much.